Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following is an SAT writing question that is asking us for the best way of wording the underlined portions of a given sentence. And here we have the sentence from the perspective of the professor. And the first underlined part here is from the perspective. There's absolutely nothing wrong about this way of beginning a sentence. You can begin to notice here that from the perspective of the professor is simply going to qualify the independent clause that follows. Every time you have a dependent clause before an independent clause at the beginning of a sentence followed by a comma, there's nothing wrong with the dependent clause. What matters now is that what follows that comma is an independent clause so that we can justify the dependent clause being there. So let's see. Some knowledge of cetology. This knowledge of cetology then is going to serve as our subject because it's followed by the word is, which would be our verb. So no problem, we've got a full sentence here. It's active, we have subject, verb, and then the object the verb acts on. An essential prerequisite in understanding. It looks like in can be our next potential answer choice here. So let's just cross out A and B. Now we're considering C. You can say in. Maybe you thought the word would have to be for, but not necessarily. In is completely acceptable in this case. So if you thought that, just remember, you can definitely say essential in understanding so long as what follows is a gerund. And that is precisely what's happening here. We have understanding, it ends in ing, which is what we define gerunds to be. So that's completely fine. It turns out there's no error in this sentence. This is a totally valid sentence, and E would be the correct answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem. Happy prepping.